Ever wondered how to navigate the labyrinth of importing goods into Pakistan from Alibaba or AliExpress? It can seem like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and some careful planning, it becomes a breeze. Let's begin with the first step, finding the right product. Alibaba and AliExpress are treasure troves of goods from electronics to textiles, all at your fingertips. After identifying the desired items, it's crucial to communicate with the supplier. Make sure to clarify all details, including the product's specifications, price, shipping costs, and delivery time. Once the terms are agreed upon, it's time to place the order. This could be as simple as clicking a button, but don't forget to double-check everything before confirming. Next comes the payment. Alibaba and AliExpress offer a variety of payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, Western Union, and bank transfers. Choose the most convenient and secure option. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep a record of all transactions for future reference. Now the order is set, and it's time to prepare for the arrival of the goods. Two main methods are available: air and sea shipping. Air shipping is faster but more expensive, while sea shipping is cost-effective but slower. The choice depends on the nature and urgency of the goods. Once the goods arrive in Pakistan, they must go through customs. Here, they'll be inspected and classified according to the harmonized system code. Depending on the product category, certain duties and taxes will be applied. It's important to anticipate these costs and factor them into the overall budget. After clearing customs, the goods are almost home. The final step is local delivery, which can be arranged through a local courier or logistics company. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to importing goods from Alibaba and AliExpress into Pakistan. Express cargo service. To recap, first you find the product and negotiate with the supplier through Express Cargo. Then you place the order and make the payment through Express Cargo. After that, you choose a shipping method and prepare for the arrival of the goods. Once they arrive, they go through customs, where duties and taxes are applied. Finally, you arrange for local delivery. Express Cargo help you all matter. It's a process that requires patience and careful planning, but with these steps, it's a lot more manageable, so don't let the complexities deter you. With this guide in hand, the world of Alibaba and AliExpress is at your doorstep.